guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So a few weeks ago on my Instagram, I shared a picture of the current homemade body butter that I'm using, and many of you requested the recipe. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make that. And this is honestly the best body butter recipe that I've ever tried, and I have tried quite a few of them. This one is a little bit different from most of your traditional homemade body butter recipes. It doesn't require heat, and this one also stays soft and creamy. It doesn't turn hard like some of the other ones tend to do. You'll only need 3 ingredients to make this, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway so one of you can win a set of the 2 main ingredients that you'll need. So stay tuned till the end to hear all the details on the giveaway, but first let's get started with the recipe. So for this heavenly soft creamy body butter, you'll need about half a cup of mango butter, a 1/4 cup of jojoba oil, and 60 drops of your favorite essential oil or blend of essential oils. And I personally recommend this one called Indulge by Acacia. It smells so good, and I'm pretty sure this is also why I'm obsessed with this body butter, because the scent is just amazing. So I know mango butter isn't one of the most popular body butters, but it's quickly become my favorite because it's still firm like a butter should be, but it's also soft and creamy at the same time. It's very light and non-greasy. It moisturizes and nourishes the skin. It fights stretch marks and wrinkles, and there are so many benefits and ways to use it, but it's an amazing ingredient for body butters because the consistency will still remain the same. It doesn't turn hard like other butters typically do. And you guys already know how much I love jojoba oil. It's been my facial moisturizer for years now. It's just very lightweight, and it's easily absorbed by the skin. It doesn't feel greasy, and it mimics our skin's natural sebum, so it's really perfect for any skin type. So first you want to cut the mango butter into little cubes and then put them in a bowl. And since we're not using any heat, you want to mash the butter using the back of a spoon until it turns into a soft paste. And now you can add the jojoba oil and mix it all together. And because we're not using heat, you can feel free to add the essential oils at any time. And now you want to use a hand mixer on high and whip this for a few minutes until everything is nice and creamy. And you guys won't believe how heavenly soft and creamy this is. And you can store this in a glass jar or whatever container you have at home. And now the body butter is complete. And I love applying this right after I take a shower. It just leaves my skin feeling incredibly soft and moisturized all day long. It's so healthy and natural, it doesn't contain chemicals or toxins, and it has tons of skin benefits. And I really think once you try this, you'll never go back to a store-bought lotion. So as you can see, this is super easy to make, and just like I say in the majority of my videos, there's nothing like using natural and healthy products on our skin. And when it comes to DIY skincare, one of my favorite brands to use is Shea Butter, and I want to clarify that this video is not sponsored by them. I just really love their products, and I was super happy whenever they asked me if I wanted to do this giveaway for you guys, so of course I had to say yes. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is like this video and leave me a comment in the comment section below telling me what your favorite natural skincare product is, and you'll automatically be entered into the giveaway, and the winner will be receiving this 8-ounce bag of mango body butter. You'll also get this 4-ounce bottle of jojoba oil, and you'll also be receiving 2 cute little jars so you can store your mango body butter when you make it. So I'll also have each product linked in the description box below, as well as all the information about the giveaway, so be sure to read that. And this contest will end exactly 1 week from the day that this video is posted. So good luck to everybody, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!